If you want to host a meeting and want to create an invite link, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial. First, we need to download Google Meet application from Play Store. Once downloaded, open it. Creating a Google Meet account is super simple. Simply tap here to continue. Then give access and allow all the permissions. As we are creating a new meeting, so we will tap on New. Then tap here on Create Link. Press on Join. Again, press here on Join to be official member. Now this is the inviting link of your meeting you will share to the next person. When another person will click on this, he will be joined in the meeting. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.